Hello and welcome to a session on making a smoothie. In the desert, the temperatures are getting what?
Hot.
And so to help with the heat, we're going to make a delicious banana strawberry smoothie here with my helper,
Emma.
Alright, so first we got to get our ingredients. The first ingredient we need is a cup of strawberries. Now, your strawberries can be fresh or frozen, but I would advise you to do frozen strawberries so that way it is nice and cold and refreshing. The next ingredient we need is
bananas.
And when we get our banana, the best thing to do is to cut it into small pieces. So my helper here is going to cut our banana into smaller pieces. Your banana can be fresh or frozen as well. The more frozen your fruit is, the more cold and refreshing your smoothie will be. The third ingredient that we need is a half cup of, I have almond milk here. You can use regular milk, you can use orange juice, or you can use apple juice. Anything that you might prefer or that you have in the fridge at home. So to start with our smoothie, you're also going to need a nice blender to blend it all together. So Emma here has finished cutting our banana. Can you show them your pieces that you cut it into? Which is perfect because it'll help blend it down. Okay, go ahead and put your bananas in the blender.
Okay.
Next up, we're going to add the
strawberries.
All right, do it, girl. Okay, and then third, I will add the half cup of almond milk. Now, if we blend it and it's still a little too thick, we can always add a little bit more almond milk to help it get a little more liquidy. So
yes,
it will depend on you. Make sure you put the lid on your blender before you start blending, because we don't want your entire smoothie to explode up into the air. That would be a terrible mess, okay? All right, so then you set your blender to blend.
Blender.
Oh. Go.
Go.
You can hear that the ingredients are definitely blending down.
And make sure you have adult supervision.
Okay, so when we open our lid to our smoothie, it's a little thick. Let me see if you can see on the video. That came out a little thick. So I think we like our smoothies a little bit more watery.
Yeah.
So we're going to add more
almond milk.
Yeah. Bet there's other fruit you can use to make this as well. No, I'm just going to pour it in.
Okay.
So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. And then I will blend some more. Give it a little shake to get that fruit down there. All right, our smoothie looks like it is ready to go. So now you're going to need
a cup
to pour your smoothie into. So get your smoothie. You can also top it with fresh strawberries or bananas if you like.
Yep.
Pour it in. So ours is a little slushy. And enjoy your refreshing smoothie. How does that taste? Delicious.
It's
okay.
Very delicious.
Well, enjoy your smoothies, and we'll see you later. Bye from Mrs.
Bye.
Smith and